Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload a sitemap in Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and to upload a sitemap, first click on this sitemap button. Now here fill in your sitemap URL. This is my website and it's built using Hostinger website builder, and my sitemap URL is just like this /sitemap.xml, and this is my sitemap file content. Now instead of copying all of this link, just copy this part like that and fill it here. Click on submit and wait a moment. As you can see, my sitemap was submitted successfully. Click on dismiss. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.